My name is Sean L. Jenkins. I'm the trainer to the stars, celebrity's best. Hollywood extreme lifestyle. There's no time like the present to start your workout. Get ready for the summer. We're gonna get started. Today I'm gonna show you a pendulum lunge. The pendulum lunge is something that you really have to have a strong core as well as the glutes and the quads, because you're going forward, you're standing straight, but remember posture. You're going forward and down, straight down. Exhale up and back. Back, down, exhale to come up. You need that power, don't forget. So a nice pendulum lunge would be here, hands to the side. If you need stabilization, find stabilization. Up, exhale up, inhale back, inhale, exhale. Plain and simple. And remember, if you're not strong enough, find you some stabilization. I don't want anybody falling over, okay? Because that's the last thing I want. Next thing, you won't be able to do any more lunges, and where does that leave me? Okay, so grab a chair, whatever's present there, grab a chair, hold on to it firmly, step forward, inhale down, and exhale up. That's your pendulum lunge for the day, to do it safely. Remember, being fit isn't for the moment, it's a lifestyle. I'm Sean L. Jenkins, your Hollywood extreme lifestyle trainer.